Hi, this is Subramanian Chandramouli, author and sales specialist. We are in the video series of 108 sales questions from my fourth book, 108 sales questions. And today we are in the question number 12, and let me read the question for you. Can I convert every lead into a prospect? Okay, maybe that's the wish list of many entrepreneur and sales executive. They want to convert every lead into a prospect. But friends, actually every lead cannot be a prospect. So the reason is some of them will not have the ability to pay your price, and some of them may not have the urgency to buy it now in this quarter or next quarter. In some of the leads, you may be talking to the person at the lowest hierarchy. It will take a lot of time to reach the right decision maker, so they may not be a right lead for you. So if you get a lead, your idea should not be I have to convert every lead to closure. That should not be your idea. What should be your idea? The idea at the lead stage should be to qualify whether this lead is a right prospect or not. So if the question is, do you have to convert every right prospect into a closure? Then that's a good ambition to have. Even in that, you may not be able to achieve that due to various other reasons. We will discuss that in some other video. But for this particular question, whether every lead I have to convert into a prospect, no. Your intention is to qualify based on the merit which we discussed in previous videos, whether this lead is a right prospect or not. Okay. So the intention is not to close the lead to the closure, but to verify and qualify whether this lead is a right prospect for you or not. Okay, so that is the key objective when you have a lead, is to qualify them as a right prospect or not. Okay, if you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow me in LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. See you soon with the next video. Thank you. This is Subramanian Chandramouli, author and sales specialist.